Hello, and welcome to the Wall Street Oasis Microsoft Power BI course. My name is Nate Coffrin, and I'm going to be your instructor. And I'm really excited to be teaching you this course. Of all the courses you learn, this is going to be one that has some very immediate impact on your career. People are going to be clamoring for your services by the time you're done with this course. So, just a little bit of background on myself. I spent my entire career in real estate finance. I worked for a number of real estate private equity firms, as well as a couple of publicly traded REITs. And right now, what I'm working on is a company called Wakely Ventures, where we are going to be consolidating tax and bookkeeping firms from mom and pop shops. So just a little bit about this course. This course is meant to be an introduction to Microsoft Power BI. I'm assuming you have zero background in Power BI, that you are starting from scratch. Now, we are going to move quickly in this course, so by the end of the course, you are going to have a very good, deep, solid understanding of Power BI and how to utilize it in your career. But we are going to start from the very basics and build up from there. Now, during the entire course, we are going to be using one case study to really learn all the various concepts in Microsoft Power BI. Now, one thing I do want to mention is there are a number of paid things you can do with Power BI, but every single tool we're going to be using in here will be either free or will be included in the downloads with the course. So by the time we're done with this course, my goal is that you will have a very solid understanding of Microsoft Power BI, that you will know how to pull in data into Microsoft Power BI, how to clean it, manipulate it, how to connect your different data sources, and then to take this vast amount of raw data at your fingertips and transform it into visualizations and charts that will really help you drive decision making at your firm or with your clients. Now, the course is going to be broken down into 4 sections, and each of these sections is going to build off the other. And like I said, we are going to start from the very basics, but we are going to very quickly move on from the basics to more advanced or intermediate type of topics. And throughout the entire course, we're going to be using one single case study, and I'll introduce that case study in just a minute. Now, the only thing you need with this course is really just your laptop. We are going to be downloading the free version of Microsoft Power BI. It's Power BI Desktop. And we also have the Excel that we'll be using. We're not going to be connecting this to any database or anything like that. And we're not going to be paying for any paid features. So really Power BI, which I'll walk through how to download that in just a minute, as well as Excel. And that's all you need to have this course. We're not going to buy anything or anything else like that. Now, in this course, I am assuming that you have a very good, solid understanding of the Microsoft products. You're going to see that once we actually go into Power BI, the user interface actually looks very similar to the user interface of Excel or PowerPoint. In fact, knowing how to use PowerPoint and being really strong in PowerPoint and in Excel will make you that much more powerful in Microsoft Power BI. You're going to see that there's a number of concepts that are like, oh, yeah, this looks very similar to Excel. And oh, yeah, I know I use this in Microsoft PowerPoint, and that's how I can manipulate the charts and graphs in Power BI. So with that, we do really strongly encourage you to check out our other courses. We have a bunch of different courses on the platform, especially courses around Excel or PowerPoint. Those are going to be courses that are really going to help supercharge your career. So if you know how to get the data, how to manipulate the data in Excel and build out these incredible financial models, if you know how to create these beautiful presentations in PowerPoint, and then if you know how to take all of this information that you have in not only in Excel, but you're going to see in just a minute that in Power BI, we can actually grab data from databases, from the internet, from a whole bunch of different places and bring it all together. So if you know how to do all of these things, take all this information, pull it together in these beautiful, easy to read dashboards that tell a story about your data and can help drive decision making, you just become unstoppable in your career. You're going to become that go-to person that people always want to go to help them solve their problems. So I really encourage you to go check out our other courses to really continue to strengthen your resume and also continue to strengthen your skill set.